You brush your teeth, shower, wear deodorant. So why do people keep their distance? Because you're making 15 silent mistakes. Your brain can't smell you. It's called olfactory fatigue. Today, I'm breaking down every mistake and the exact fixes to smell amazing 24/7. Habit 1. Not drying yourself properly after showering. Most guys step out of the shower, do a quick towel off, and throw on their clothes. Big mistake. Damp skin, especially in places like between your toes, your armpits, and your groin, becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and fungus. That bacteria is what causes body odor. You're literally creating the perfect environment for bad smells to grow. Here's the fix. After your shower, take an extra 30 seconds to fully dry yourself. Get into every crevice. Use a separate towel for your body and your face. And here's something most guys ignore. Wash your towels after every 4 to 5 uses. A dirty towel just puts bacteria right back on your clean skin. Habit 2. Not washing your hair enough. Your hair absorbs everything: sweat, smoke, food smells, pollution. If you're only washing it once a week, all those odors are sitting on your head and everyone around you can smell it. Greasy, unwashed hair also produces a musty odor from oil buildup and bacteria on your scalp. The fix? Wash your hair every 2 to 3 days if you have normal hair, daily if you have fine or oily hair. Use a quality shampoo that actually cleans, not just adds fragrance. And don't forget conditioner. It keeps your hair from drying out and smelling stale. Check the link in the description for more ways to improve your appearance. Habit 3. Re-wearing clothes without washing them. You wear a shirt once, it doesn't look dirty, so you hang it back up and wear it again. But here's what you don't see. Sweat, dead skin cells, and bacteria are embedded in the fabric. Even if you didn't sweat much, your body constantly sheds oils that cling to your clothes. When you re-wear them, that bacteria reactivates and multiplies. The fix: wash your clothes after every wear, especially anything that touches your armpits, groin, or feet. If you must re-wear something, hang it outside in fresh air and sunlight. UV rays kill bacteria, but ideally, just wash it. Habit 4. Skipping tongue scraping. You brush your teeth twice a day, but your breath still stinks. Why? Because 90% of bad breath comes from your tongue. That white coating on the back of your tongue, that's bacteria, dead skin cells, and decayed food particles. And it's the main source of that putrid smell coming out of your mouth. Brushing your teeth alone won't fix this. You need to scrape your tongue. Get a tongue scraper, or use your toothbrush to gently scrape from the back of your tongue to the front. Do this every time you brush. You'll be shocked at how much gunk comes off, and your breath instantly fresher. Also, don't forget to brush your inner cheeks and gum line. That's where 80% of odor-causing bacteria lives. Most guys completely miss this. Habit 5. Wearing synthetic fabrics. Synthetic fabrics like polyester and nylon trap heat and moisture against your skin. When you sweat, that sweat has nowhere to go. It just sits there, creating the perfect environment for bacteria to multiply. And bacteria equals bad odor. Natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool allow your skin to breathe. They wick away moisture and keep you cooler. The result? Less sweat, less bacteria, less smell. The fix? Switch to natural fabrics. Your clothes will feel better, you'll sweat less, and you'll smell fresher all day. Habit 6. Not washing your bed sheets regularly. You spend 6 to 8 hours every night in your bed. During that time, your body is sweating, shedding dead skin cells, and producing oils. All of that gets absorbed into your sheets and pillowcases. If you're not washing them regularly, you're sleeping in a bacteria-filled environment every single night. And when you wake up, that bacteria transfers to your skin and hair. That's why you sometimes wake up feeling musty or greasy, even if you showered the night before. The fix: wash your bed sheets every 1 to 2 weeks. If you sweat a lot at night, wash them weekly. Use hot water to kill bacteria. And if you really want to level up, lightly spray your sheets with a fresh fragrance before bed. You'll wake up smelling better, and your skin will thank you. Habit 7. Applying deodorant wrong. You apply deodorant every morning, but by noon, you're already starting to smell. That's because you're making 3 silent mistakes. Mistake 1. You're applying it on wet skin. If your underarms are even slightly damp after your shower, the deodorant won't stick. It just clings to the water and evaporates. Mistake 2. Your underarm hair is too long. Long hair traps heat and bacteria, which multiplies odor even if you're wearing deodorant. Mistake 3. You're applying it in the morning. Antiperspirants work by blocking sweat glands, and they need time to absorb. If you apply it right before you start sweating, it's already too late. Here's the fix. Apply deodorant at night on completely dry skin. Trim your underarm hair with a number 3 guard. And in the morning, if you want an extra boost, apply a light layer again. This method locks in freshness all day. Habit 8. Drinking too much caffeine. Coffee isn't evil, but when you're drinking 3 to 4 cups a day just to function, you're doing serious damage to how you smell. First, caffeine dehydrates you. Less water in your system means your skin looks dry, tired, and older. But it also means your sweat becomes more concentrated, which makes it smell worse. Second, too much caffeine ruins your sleep. And bad sleep leads to stress, which increases cortisol. High cortisol makes you sweat more and smell worse. The fix: Limit yourself to 1 or 2 cups of coffee a day. And for every cup you drink, drink a glass of water to balance it out. Real energy should come from good food, sleep, and exercise, not from chugging coffee all day. Habit 9. High stress levels. Stress doesn't just mess with your mind. It shows up on your body. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol. High cortisol increases sweat production, lowers testosterone, and makes your skin break out. All of that contributes to bad body odor. Ever notice how during exam season or tough times at work, you break out more and feel more tired? That's stress showing up on your face and your scent. The fix: manage your stress. Hit the gym, go for walks, meditate, spend time with friends. Find outlets that calm your mind. The calmer you are, the better you'll look and smell. Stress literally ages you. Kill stress and you'll look younger and sharper. Habit 10. Not flossing. You brush your teeth but you skip flossing. Big mistake. Flossing removes food particles stuck between your teeth that your toothbrush can't reach. If you don't floss, that food rots in your mouth, causing bad breath and gum disease. Here's a test. Floss your back molars right now and smell the floss. If it stinks, that's what your breath smells like to other people. The fix: floss every single day. It takes 60 seconds. And after you floss, use an alcohol-free mouthwash to kill bacteria without drying out your mouth. Your breath will be cleaner and your teeth will be healthier. Habit 11. Ignoring your feet. Your feet have more sweat glands than almost any other part of your body. If you're wearing the same shoes every day without letting them air out, you're creating a bacteria factory. And that bacteria causes foot odor, which spreads to your socks, your shoes, and eventually your entire room. The fix: rotate your shoes. Don't wear the same pair 2 days in a row. Let them air out for at least 24 hours. Use foot powder or antiperspirant spray on your feet before putting on socks. And wash your feet thoroughly in the shower. Don't just let soapy water run over them. Scrub between your toes and under your nails. If your shoes already smell, sprinkle baking soda inside them overnight. It'll absorb the odor. Habit 12. Not staying hydrated. Water flushes out toxins from your body. When you're dehydrated, those toxins stay in your system and come out through your sweat and breath. That's why dehydrated people often have worse body odor and bad breath. Drinking enough water also keeps your skin hydrated, which helps it regulate temperature and sweat production. When your skin is dry, it overcompensates by producing more oil, which leads to clogged pores and bad smells. The fix: drink 7 to 8 glasses of water a day. If plain water is boring, infuse it with lemon, cucumber, or mint. Green tea is also great because it alkalizes your mouth, reducing bacteria and keeping your breath fresh. Habit 13. Using the same gym clothes multiple times. You hit the gym, come home, hang your workout clothes to dry, and wear them again the next day. Seems efficient, right? Wrong. Even if they don't smell when they're dry, bacteria is still living in the fabric. The moment you start sweating again, that bacteria reactivates and multiplies, creating an even worse odor than before. The fix: wash your gym clothes after every single workout. No exceptions. Use hot water and add a cup of white vinegar to the wash. It kills bacteria that regular detergent misses. If you can't wash them immediately, hang them outside to air out, not in your gym bag or closet where bacteria thrives in dark, enclosed spaces. Habit 14. Skipping mouthwash or using the wrong kind. You brush and floss, but you skip mouthwash or use one loaded with alcohol. Big mistake. Alcohol-based mouthwashes dry out your mouth, and a dry mouth produces less saliva. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense against bacteria. Without it, bacteria multiplies faster, causing worse breath. The fix: use an alcohol-free mouthwash with antibacterial ingredients like cetylpyridinium chloride or chlorhexidine. Swish for 30 seconds after brushing and flossing. This kills bacteria your toothbrush can't reach. And here's a pro tip: don't rinse with water after using mouthwash. Let it sit and do its job. Your breath will stay fresh for hours, not minutes. Habit 15. Letting your diet destroy your scent from the inside. What you eat directly affects how you smell. Foods high in sulfur, like garlic, onions, red meat, and cruciferous vegetables, break down in your digestive system and release compounds through your sweat and breath. If your diet is loaded with processed foods, sugar, and fried junk, your body odor will reflect that. The fix: eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons naturally deodorize your body. Leafy greens like spinach and parsley neutralize odors. Drink green tea. It alkalizes your mouth and reduces bacteria. And cut back on processed foods. Clean eating equals clean scent. You literally are what you eat, and people can smell it. Fix these habits, and you'll smell amazing without even trying. Ready to level up? Subscribe and check the link in the description.